Have you ever wondered what happens inside your body when you indulge in that extra piece of chocolate or sip on a fizzy soda? Well, you're not alone. Today we're diving into the sweet, yet not so innocent world of sugar. From the donuts we can't resist, to the seemingly harmless pasta sauce. It's everywhere, stealthily sneaking into our diets. This ubiquitous ingredient may tantalize our taste buds, but it's also quietly affecting our bodies in ways we might not realize. Prepare to uncover the shocking truth about the sweet substance we all love to consume. Quoiskois. Sugar, while delicious, is far from benign. But what exactly happens when sugar enters our bodies? To understand this, let's start from the beginning. When we consume sugar, our body breaks it down into two main types of simple sugars: glucose and fructose. Glucose is the body's preferred source of energy and is used by every cell. Fructose, on the other hand, is processed almost exclusively in the liver. As sugar is digested, it enters our bloodstream. The pancreas, sensing the rise in blood sugar, releases insulin, a hormone that signals cells to take in glucose. When functioning correctly, this process allows our bodies to maintain a stable blood sugar level. However, a diet high in sugar can lead to an overproduction of insulin, causing our cells to become resistant to its effects. This insulin resistance can lead to type 2 diabetes, a condition where the body can't control blood sugar levels effectively. Now let's talk about energy. Our bodies need a steady supply of it to function, and glucose is a key player in this. It's broken down in our cells' mitochondria, the so-called power plants of our cells to produce energy. But here's the catch. When we consume more glucose than our cells can use, it can cause harm. Excess glucose can produce harmful byproducts that damage the mitochondria, leading to decreased energy production and increased oxidative stress. This can contribute to a host of health problems, from fatigue to neurodegenerative diseases. Fructose, on the other hand, can be turned into fat in the liver if consumed in large amounts, contributing to obesity and fatty liver disease. It also doesn't signal our brain that we've eaten enough, leading to overconsumption and further weight gain. And there's more. High sugar intake can also lead to inflammation, which is linked to a variety of diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. As we can see, sugar's effects on our body are far-reaching and not as sweet as we might think. From weight gain to heart disease, the consequences of excessive sugar consumption are alarming. To understand the bitter side of sugar, we must first consider its impact on our bodies. When we consume sugar in large quantities, our body stores it as fat. This can lead to obesity, a condition that increases the risk of various other health problems, including diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. But it's not just physical health at risk. The sweet allure of sugar can be dangerously addictive. Like a moth to a flame, we're drawn to its instant gratification, often at the expense of our long-term well-being. This addiction can lead to mood swings, anxiety, and even depression. Our bodies, you see, were never designed to handle the kind of sugar onslaught we face today. Our ancestors rarely encountered anything as sweet as a modern apple, let alone a can of soda. The result? Our bodies react to sugar like a foreign invader, triggering inflammation and oxidative stress that wears down our body's powerhouse, the mitochondria. Diabetes, heart disease, obesity, cancer, mental health issues. The list of potential health risks associated with high sugar consumption is as long as it is concerning. But it's not all doom and gloom. By understanding these risks, we're better equipped to make healthier choices and break free from the grip of sugar addiction. The bitter truth is, the sweet taste of sugar comes with a hefty price tag for our health. While the risks are real, there's no need to despair. You have the power to change your sugar consumption habits. Let's start by reading food labels. It's surprising how many products sneak in sugar under different names. Words like sucrose, fructose, maltose, and dextrose are all aliases for sugar. Next, consider choosing natural sweeteners. Honey, maple syrup, and stevia are all healthier alternatives that can satisfy your sweet tooth without the harmful effects of processed sugar. But don't stop there. Incorporating more whole foods into your diet is a game changer. Fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients and fiber that keep you feeling full and satisfied. And remember, it's not about perfection, but progression. Small steps lead to big victories. So, take it one day at a time, and before you know it, you'll be well on your way to a healthier lifestyle. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your health. Hansawaswari. Now that you're armed with this knowledge, it's time to take action. Make a commitment to reduce your sugar intake. Share the video, spread the word, and together we can make a difference. Start your journey towards a healthier life today. Reduce sugar, increase health, and share this message with others. Every step counts.